Uric acid is a product of metabolic breakdown of purine nucleotides, and high serum uric acid can lead to a condition called gout. The chemical is associated with other medical conditions including kidney stones and diabetes. Recipe to naturally remove uric acid crystals from the joints. To make this recipe for a juice that naturally reduces uric acid stored in the joints, you'll need the following ingredients. 1. Medium cucumber, 2 stalks of celery, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger root. Water. How to prepare? First, wash all the ingredients and cut the celery and cucumber in slices. Then place the ingredients in a blender and blend them for several minutes on high speed. Drink this natural drink twice a day and you will soon notice improvements. You may also feel a mild pain as soon as you start the treatment, but it is just a sign of the effectiveness of the drink. So continue its consumption. This natural drink offers numerous health benefits and also reduces the body temperature due to its alkalizing qualities. The celery and the ginger have potent anti-inflammatory properties, so they relieve the joint inflammation. On the other hand, the cucumber juice eliminates the uric acid crystals from the joints.